नाव सांगा. पॉज करू.
Hello everyone, I Dr. Gajanan Deshmukh, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Srimati Sindhutai Jadhav, Arts and Science Mahavidyalaya Mehkar. Today we are going to discuss on the topic that is eukaryotic cell, structure and function of eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are more complex as compared to the prokaryotic cells, and it possesses well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles and several linear chromosomes. Then it is bounded by a cell membrane, that is the gateway of the cell, and the interior of the cell is divided into cytoplasm and nucleus. The cytoplasm is the region outside the nucleus that contains cell organelle and cytoplasm. The nucleus is a spherical oval shaped structure that is located at the center of the cell. Structurally, eukaryotic cell consists of two parts. First is cell membrane and cytosome. The cell membrane is the outermost part, and it is semi-transparent protective covering outside the cell membrane, that is called as cell wall. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. The external covering in animal cell is called as plasma membrane or cell membrane, and it is composed of protein and lipid. It consists of three layers. The outer two layers are made up of proteins, and a middle layer is of lipid. It gives mechanical support and external shape to the protoplasm, and it also maintains the entry and exit of substances, unwanted and essential also. Second part is cytosome. It is the inner matrix of the cell called as cytosome, and it contains two parts, cytoplasm and nucleus. That means it is the innermost part inside the plasma membrane. Cytoplasm, it is aqueous jelly-like part of the cytoplasm cell organelle that is called as the cytosol. It is homogeneous, amorphous, translucent, containing water, sugar, amino acid, RNA, nucleotide, proteins, vitamins and enzymes. And it is further differentiated into ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. And there are several organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, ribosome, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastid, centrioles are present in the cytoplasm. The first organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are associated or attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is help to synthesize the lipid, and rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes protein. Then ribosomes are small spherical structure attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, or they are also freely present in the cytoplasm. Chemically, they are composed of RNA and protein, and they are the active site of the protein synthesis. The second organelle is Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. Golgi apparatus was described by Camillo Golgi, and it consists of flattened sacs called cisternae, small vesicles or vesicles, and it served to modify sort of protein or transparent vesicles. The vesicles are then derived from the plasma membrane to the other cell, and it is located near to the nucleus. Then mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. In mitochondria, the ATP energy is generated. The number of mitochondria varies from cell to cell. Then lysosomes are small rounded bags that are also called as the suicidal bags. They help in the autolysis and they play an important role in the immune system of the cell. Then next organ is peroxisomes are derived from the endoplasmic reticulum, and they are bounded by single membrane, and they play an important role in maintaining the chemical balance within the cell. Then cytoskeleton, that is composed of microtubule, intermediate filament, and microfilaments, that is help in the maintaining the shape and structure of the cell. Then basal body or granules, that are spherical bodies present at the base of the locomotory cell like cilia and flagella, that help in the locomotion of the cell. Then vacuoles are present in the plant cell as well as the animal cells. They are permanent in the plant cell and temporary in the animal cells, and they are specialized for the osmoregulation. And then next part is the nucleus. Nucleus is centrally located in the cell that contains DNA or genetic material. DNA replication takes place, RNA synthesis takes place in the nucleus, and it plays an important role in the synthesis of protein. This is about the structure and function of eukaryotic cell.